Today I'm going to show you how to correct image colors in Adobe Photoshop. First, convert this layer to Smart Object. Go to Filter, and open your Camera Raw filter. This time I'm going to fix overexposed photo. So open the Basic tab. I'll make the exposure -1.20, the contrast +6, the highlights +40, the shadows -25, the whites +20, and the vibrance +35. Then press OK. Click on the adjustment layer and create a color lookup. From the drop-down, select the fall colors. Go back to adjustment layer and create one more color lookup. From the drop-down, select the horror blue. Then close Properties window. Select the mask, go to Image, and open your Apply Image window. Change the blending to Multiply, and then uncheck Invert. Then press OK. Click on the adjustment layer and create a gradient. Open the gradient box and the Basics preset folder. Choose the black and white. Then click OK on both windows. Change the blend mode to soft light. I'll decrease the opacity to 50%. Select the three adjustments layers by holding down Shift key, and then press Ctrl G to place them into a folder group. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.